Times you're like, oh, fun fact about this video. Not fun fact. The first time I filmed this, my mic was not plugged in. So yeah, this is the second time we're running through this. But no matter what, it's Sunday when I'm filming this, which means the Warriors got to win. That's what's most important, okay? Despite the officiating, we still got our win, so we take game one. I can't wait to see what the rest of the series holds. But also, my Richie Lee collection Camo Utility shorts came in, so let's take a look.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit.
Everybody, it's your girl TJ back with another video on Talks with TJ, and we are here for all of the semi-conference finals in the NBA. That's right, the Grizzlies are matched up with my Warriors, and it's honestly like the prolific versus the young phenom, and I'm here for it. Not that I'm not for Draymond being thrown out, okay? Flagrant 2 where honestly Kobe would have called it soft. That's just how I feel, okay? Just soft. Like, refs, let him play. What is this? He tried to catch the man as he was falling. So I'm not with the flagrant 2. I was very fine with a flagrant 1, not the flagrant 2. I think experience is really showing how, how important it is on the Warrior side versus just some mistakes that just have to do with youth and not having gone far within the NBA, playoffs for the Grizzlies. So could that come back to bite them, time and time again? I don't know. We'll have to see. Listen, they're energetic. They have depth, they can shoot, they are explosive. We gotta bring it. Shout out to Poole. It was a pool party. Shout out to Poole for his, I believe, 31 points. And then we got into some foul trouble. It was just a lot, okay? Edge of my seat. I had so many things to do. They did not get done on time because I'm watching the game. What do you expect, okay? So that's how my night ended, though, or my Sunday, I should say, evening ended. It was good. We won. Doesn't matter. Boston, do you have an answer for Giannis? Because the man is now facilitating. You can't stop him offensively. So what's the plan? What is the plan? I felt bad for the one play where Giannis is just backing down Jason Tatum, and I'm like, bless his heart, he's amazing, but this is not going to end well, and it didn't. So we'll see what happens there. A lot of basketball still on the way, so we're all locked in. Probably going to be some restless nights because I choose to cheer for a West Coast team, so we're going to have those 10 o'clock tip-off times. Thank goodness I work from home and I can ease into my work day without a commute. But all right, talking about the Richie Lee collection Camo Utility shorts, the main item on my wish list for this drop that recently occurred. So a lot of the other items, like I don't necessarily have carpenter pants worked into my wardrobe or part of my style, but the utility shorts, absolutely. You guys know I own quite a few of those from past drops, whether it's red, I also have the gray pair, I have the olive pair, I have the iridescent pair, and now I have the camo pair. So when it comes to the camo pair, I just think it's a versatile item. You can wear the exact same way that you wear regular camo pants. I'm looking at like 2 different iterations of camo pants I have right here. Wear them the exact same in the spring or summer, in the form of shorts as you would pants. So pretty basic there, except this time I went with a small versus a medium just to have a little bit better fit within the waist of the pants themselves. But they will, of course, fit just a tiny bit tighter in the hips. So matter of fact, let's go ahead and take a look at the camo utility shorts side by side with the regular Richie Lee shorts in a medium, but then also the Fear of God Essentials volley shorts in an extra small. The brand new Richie Lee collection utility shorts in the camo print is on the far left in a size small. In the middle, I'm wearing the Fear of God Essentials volley shorts in an extra small. And on the right, the Richie Lee collection shorts in a medium. So as you can see, definitely a little bit shorter, maybe 1 inch to 2 inches shorter for the camo utility shorts in the size small versus the medium or even the extra small shorts for essentials. I like the fit being a little bit more higher on the leg, allows your legs to breathe a little bit more, and also the waist does fit a little better, and that was the main intention of going with the small versus the medium. I still get the use of the pockets on the front on both the left and right leg, but then again, just a little bit better fit. So you guys can go ahead and comment below which you like the best. And for size reference, I'm 5'6", 127 pounds. Quite often I'll go a small in essentials items, but the volley shorts are quite boxy. So that's why I got an extra small in those and now a small in the Richie Lee shorts. This is out of the way leading up to tomorrow, which is, of course, May the 4th. Literally, May the 4th be with you if you're a Star Wars fan. I'm sure you have Star Wars themed things going on. On the 4th for myself, it's tattoo time. It feels like it took forever to get here, and then it's finally here, and it actually seems like it just came really fast all at once. But that time is here. I love going to see my artist. He's amazing. I love his shop, just the vibe. It's great, laid back. I'll probably watch a movie or two while I'm getting my tattoo done. I fully intend to vlog that for you guys though, so stay tuned for that. I'll do my best to get it out the next day. I have an insanely busy week, from creative projects to work to the fact that I'll be going home to visit, which I have not done that in some years. So going home to visit, which you know what that means, like trying to plan out shoes to pack. Why do we make this such a thing? I'm going home for like 2 nights. Why on earth do we make it such a thing in terms of packing of all of the pairs? It's like the what if I get invited to go here? What if we choose to go do this? Knowing you'll be at home relaxing half the time I'll probably just be in fear of God California's. But I have at least like 2, maybe 3 pairs of shoes already on the radar to take with me, because I actually want to rock my Vans more. So I'm like, okay, but I don't just want the basic Vans. I want to get the Bape Vans, but I also want to bring some 350 V2s home, and I need something comfortable to be in. So it's not going well. I should only have 1 bag going home with me for 2 nights. I better not have more than that, or my mom is going to flame me ridiculously for bringing a ton of stuff to the house. But no matter what, going home, that's an exciting time. I'll get to watch more basketball. I'll get to be around family. Not sure if any of my friends will be around. You know how it is when you're an adult and you're older. Everybody is not necessarily back at home. This isn't like going back home for college, which I'm far past that, like 11 years. Wow, I'm getting old, but I'm excited. So thank you guys for tuning into this video. Go ahead, let me know your thoughts on any of the Richie Lee collection items you picked up. Were you able to secure the Camo Utility shorts? I just feel like those will be worked into my rotation a lot this summer, and I'm excited about that. Not the hot weather, just, you know, some of the options that I have. All right, thanks for tuning in. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Stay tuned for the tattoo vlog. Peace.